What? Ah, there's a fire! There's a fire! Activate the fire alarm! Ah! I think I escaped. Hello guys, this is Duck here. I hope you guys are having a great day today. And today I'm back with another Minecraft Redstone tutorial video. And today I'm gonna show you on how to make a custom fire alarm system. Now if you're wanting to know how to make one, I know how to make one. It's pretty easy to make, and you probably want to try it to have a way where if you just flip one pole station or flip one lever, then it should just activate the entire building. So I'm just going to show you just the basics, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So the objects you're going to need: a block of your choice, doesn't matter, I prefer to use stone brick, your pole station, the strobe, a piece of redstone, a repeater, a comparator is optional. And there's one thing that I forgot to get. You're also going to need the horn or the noise whenever you pull the fire alarm. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is just the basics. So here you go. Here's the pull station. And then you want to have your fire alarm. Now I guess you can have it right here, but just by safe side, I'm going to have it right here. Gotta have that. And then what you're going to do is I need to place down at least 2 of these with 4 torches. 2 on each side, so it looks like something like this. You place down the redstone, gotta make sure it works, and yes, it does work. And then you just need to hook up the redstone all the way around. Yeah, see, so it does that. So you see that it's flashing. Now you can have something to do with an inverter. The way that I learned it, which I custom built this, you just do this, it turns it off, and then the torches just go nuts. On, off, and then then you basically get the idea. And then what you need to do next is to hook up the pole station to the horn strobe, or no, the strobe part of the horn strobe. It's like the light that flashes. So here's your basic redstone. And there we go. Look, the light's off. And then see, look, you basically get the idea. It goes on and off. It's not working, so just bear with me. I'm not sure if this is the way you do it, but nah, it's not flashing. Yeah, you basically get the idea. It turns on whenever this is flipped, and yeah. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, darn it. Okay. How about... Okay, I'm just trying something as I go. There we go. Oh. I overloaded the system. There it is. Wait, what? So, you basically get the idea. So, there is the strobe. And now for the horn. Now, what you're going to need to do is that, if you have it, next to each other, you need to have it set out by 1 block. Or place repeater so that it doesn't, activate, or it doesn't cause a clock to interfere with the strobe and the horn. Whoa! There we go. So yeah, there you go. That's the basic idea. So we got the horn. The strobe, and the pull station just set up And basically all this. Just a 3x2, perfect, and then just a minimal amount of redstone that is needed. Now you can have as much as you want, but you need to make sure that it hooks up to as many pull stations as you have, and it doesn't interfere whenever you flip another pull station. So if there are two separate ones and they're like right next to each other, if one flips, then it cannot interfere with the other one, unless if you do like something where it goes into that one but it doesn't go back out. Just to let you know. So yeah, there's the basic idea. Just one more time. See note going, torch is flashing. Yeah, basically get the idea. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful video of how to make a working horn strobe. Now this is just the basics. I mean, you could probably go into another YouTube video and see like how to make one for real, but this is like for people who have Pocket Edition. I mean, I know that they put in the other stuff such as the repeaters, but if they like don't know how to make the repeaters, then yeah, this is just a great way to start them out with redstoning. Like I said before, you don't have to have just these two. You can have just like way more, as much as you want. And yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, all sort of that. Leave a comment if you want to you know, do some more of this stuff. Just yeah. So I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.